system, praise the Lamb.
The mankind show has turned to be a fool. Human expired, but solar system goes on after all. You got turned up, precious human race. Entertain yourself into the trail.
Good afternoon, this is Radio Technopolis, voice of the Globe Village. Listen to the latest news. Referring to scientific reports, World Bank announced that money should make a man happy. In a short message, the creator reminds the population of Earth that universe is made by him. However, he finds the theory of evolution highly imaginative and very funny. Experts say that by now millions of people around the world have fallen into coma as a result of media overdose, and since then they are going around in that unconscious state. We interrupt the program. I have to read up a high priority message from the head of Invisible Legion. It is an official instruction for the Bone Squad. I send you out as sheep in the midst of wolves. So be wise as serpents and innocent as doves. Stay tuned, folks. Have a nice day in the new world. This is Radio Technopolis, voice of the Globe Village. Stay tuned. We'll get back to you with some hot stuff after the commercial.